Looks like another storm blankets winter weary New England. And the people are saying not again because it's actually being hailed as a biblical storm. According to this article I'm reading here, snow and dangerously high winds roared into New England for the fourth time in less than a month. The latest blow to a region that has already seen more than 6 feet of snow in some areas. Oh my gosh. A blizzard warning was in effect for coastal areas from Connecticut to Maine through Monday morning, promising 8 to 14 inches in southern New England and up to 2 feet in Maine. That's a lot of snow, people. And a bone-chilling blast of cold will follow, with lows of minus 10 degrees forecast in some areas Sunday night. Now, National Weather Service meteorologist William Babcock said road conditions will be dangerous as steady, widespread winds whipped a relatively dry snow area. However, on Sunday, the best thing people can do is stay home and stay indoors. And that's according to the National Weather Service meteorologist William Babcock. Stay home and stay indoors, people. Stay warm. So this is the fourth time they're getting snow. This is really bad news, because I can't imagine being snowed in for like a whole month and 6 feet of snow in some areas. The bad weather spans several states. Winter storm warnings extended west into Michigan and Ohio, where whiteout conditions led to a pileup on the Ohio Turnpike that killed at least 2 people. Another crash involving several tractor trailers was reported on Interstate 70 just west of Columbus, and a storm-related crash on the New York Thruway south of Buffalo killed 1 person. So it's a lot of traffic problems are occurring now, and people, they need to understand. I know they lived in snow most of their lives, but they have to understand that it's getting worse. The snowstorms are getting worse, and they just need to stop driving, stop trying to drive in snow, in heavy, thick snow like this. So I'm posting this vid, and if you want to comment, please do, and please subscribe.